Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. I made previous few videos on this particular stock and I'm making it again because I see the price action is really strong and it is about to go higher. It has been doing really good. So if you're holding Zomedica and you know about the fundamentals of the company, definitely you know about it, but also stay till the very end because I just want to talk a little bit about the price action and what can happen when Trueforma is launched. At the same time, if you are new, you haven't purchased any position for this particular company, maybe I will just spend 1 or 2 minutes just want to show you what is the product. So Zomedica, what is Zomedica here? So basically, if you go to their website, always go to the website before you purchase any kind of share or anything. So basically you can know about so what they're doing, they're advancing animal health and veterinarian success. So basically they have many products and Trueforma is the first product they're about to launch end of March. And if you go to their website, they have many good information and you can go through their website what it does. So you can see the shape of this particular product is a small and why this is important, because like currently, like when you go to an animal hospital, they take the sample, they send it to the lab. Normally it takes 2 to 3 days to get the results, so the doctors can't do the analysis. But here with this device, you can take the sample, you can put it on a cartridge, you put it inside the machine, which is a very small size, and it takes only 18 seconds to give you the result. So the diagnosis will be faster. You do not need to wait 2 to 3 days. There are some other companies, but their products are larger in size. So definitely once this thing will be launched, I think this will be a very good one. And they are planning to launch the product end of March. So we have only few weeks for this month. And I think for next few days, you will see the share price is going higher and higher. And I will also talk about the chart pattern, which is also suggesting we are about to go higher and higher. That is important. Also keep that in mind, like once there will be any kind of partnership for their product, then the stock will go even higher. I will come back to that point later. But there was a recent news that Zomedica retires preferred shares. You can go to their website and you can read it. But normally whenever you offer some share, which is not good for the shareholders, but when you retire, so basically you are reducing the number of shares, which is good on the other side, and there was a pop in share price because of the news. Also, I made another previous video on their financial result for 2020. I will not go through in this video, but I want to talk only few things. So still there is no product, so there is no revenue, which makes sense. But the good thing is the loss. You can see the loss is only 5 cents per share for 2020 compared to 19 cents per share in 2019. So like 1/4. So this is really a very good improvement. This is one thing. You can go through the other stuff, but I quickly want to show you another statistics here. Yeah, so the R&D, so now they are spending only 10.3 million, and oh no, wait, sorry. Yeah, so they are spending in 2020 8 million compared to 10 million in 2019. So basically this is a 20% reduction, and it makes sense because they have done their R&D, research and development. They have made the product, so the cost for research and development is less. But again, like once Trueforma is online, people will have it. They should be continuing their research and they should bring more product. Also, you can go through this website. The last point I want to make here, the amount of money they have. Yeah, so Zomedica has a cash of 277 million. Okay, that's a good thing. So once the product will be launched, they can use this money for commercialization, and people and different companies, they will know and they will come and pick up like they can make agreement with Zomedica. Anyway, so now let's look at the price. Beautiful chart pattern. You can see like previously you can see this one, then there is a U-shaped recovery. Maybe you can just quickly show that was a U-shaped recovery here, then there's another U-shaped recovery here, and we can see we are moving towards another U-shaped recovery here, right? Okay, sorry for the support and resistance. I do not want to show all of them, but it's showing. So anyway, you can see each time the stock hits a new high, it comes down, then again it makes the U-shaped recovery, then it breaks and it goes higher. Same thing happened one, twice, and I think there's a third time is happening again. Once we complete the U-shaped recovery, then this stock will go higher. Now, in my previous video, I talked about the price target for this one. So let's see how the price is moving. So that's the U-shaped, and let's say this is the bottom. So from the bottom, it went around, let's say here, around 250%, right? From the bottom to the next one. Then what happened again? From the bottom, 250 will be roughly here, right? You see here, 232, so close to 250%. So each time when it makes a U-shaped recovery from the bottom of the U, the next high is around 250%. So if we assume the same thing, what we can see here, if we take the bottom, you can take it here or maybe around here. So 250 will roughly take us around $5.50, $5.50. So that was my price target. I also talked about this particular share. I gave a price target of 5 to 6, and this is again like long to medium term, but again this can go even higher if you're holding it long term. And this is not bad, because if you go and Google for ZOM price target, you will see many videos of $5, not necessarily how I'm giving you the price target or how I'm estimating, because in my first video I gave a price target of $5 to $6, and you can check my previous video. So this is nothing new. You can go to Market Watch or Market Beat, different websites. So it's mostly like $5 is a psychological target. So I think once it reach $5, then definitely this thing can come down a little bit. Now let's look at the price action. So I don't want the U shape here. So it came down all the way, but you see the support around 1.75 is very strong. In many instances it came down. You see the long wick here, but again people started doing deep buying, so they were buying the dips really heavily, and you can see we held the support of 1.75. Now what's happening now, we are curling up. If you look at daily, RSI is going up. If you look at daily MACD, you see the blue line is about to curl. Once it will hit the orange line, it will go even higher, so which is all bull. And the final thing is last day, you can see like we tried to break the resistance of around 2.4, we could not, we came down, but we finished strong. We finished around 2.3. so you see it's between the support 2 and 2.4. it looks very good. And just looking at the daily chart, you can see like we started the morning really good. We went all the way around 2.5, we hit the resistance, we came down. Now we are consolidating around this area, and I think once the consolidation is done, then we can break. Also, like like why I like this kind of triangle, so it's a bull flag pattern. So this is the flag, you go all the way up. Now we are consolidating within a triangle, and once we break, hopefully we will break the upper black line soon, and we will go high. The chart looks absolutely brilliant. Once we break 2.4, I think we will hit 2.7, 2.9, and once we break it, then there is more upside. And again, end of the March, I see the share price will go higher. Maybe we will reach $5 before the commercialization of the True Pharma. Now keep that in mind. The share price was way low in beginning of the year, around 20 cents. Already we had a huge rally. So whenever there is a news, sometime buy the hype, sell on news, this kind of thing, right? So when the True Pharma will be commercialized, maybe people will take profit. So you can see a dip in the price. So if you're long, you don't forget to take the profit. Or if you're not a long-term investor, ride the wave, set a trailing stop loss with 5%, 10%, or maybe 5%, and ride the wave. Whenever there is a sell-off, you just lock your profit so you don't lose anything. This is one thing. I also read some article, they were saying that the True Pharma effect is already priced in. So whenever you say $5, you will not go to $5 because people already priced in the true forma thing, so it might not have the upside. But just looking at the chart, at least we should go to 2.9 from here, at least. So currently we are at somewhere, at least there is a 25% upside at least. So anyway, for this particular share, I see there is a huge upside and they do not have any call option. But again, I'm playing with shares. Whenever the share price is coming down, I'm just buying. I have a limit buy order at 1.75. I also scooped many share around 1.4. Hopefully it will not come below $2, but again you can set some limit buy order around 2 or around 1.75. but I see this one will go higher and higher, and at least it will go around 2.9 to $3, but my price target is 5 to 5.5 at least. Anyway, my friends, if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.